Did the devil raise you?
One more.
Come on. Put it in the trash. Oh!
Oh my god.
Guys, something's seriously wrong with my cat. She keeps making all these weird noises, waking me up when I'm sleeping. I've had enough, honestly. Come on, let's go to the vet.
Felix, get out of the freezer. Come on, get out. Yeah, your feet are sticking to the bottom. Yeah, come on, don't lick it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Riley, go get it. Get it.
Good boy. Oh. You okay? All right. You okay? Oh.
Oh my god!
Look how cute she is. Check this out, guys.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
Bro.
You stupid bitch, keep playing with me. I'm not playing with you. I don't you up. I know where the you live. You stupid bitch.
Gotta do some shopping. Shopping complete.
Give her a kiss, Kara.
You're crazy.
Kara, she's telling you to put her down.
Зайка, ты, сука, попутал, что ли? Смотри, она все равно идет. Блядь.
No. No!
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Whoa! Oh!
Me having a bad day but getting to sniff little soft kitten paws, yummy stinky.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
No.
No.
No. No.
No.
Why don't I hold this and you go whisper your goodbyes?
Hey, cheese.
Dan. Dan.
I forgot about Packer.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the f*** is this?
Her name is Mia, and she loves my singing. Mia,
So I'm trying to water these plants, but I can't because I got a dog that won't leave me alone long enough to do this.
Oh my god! Milo, you want a treat? Okay.
What?
There's a fairly large spider on my cat's head.
Telling you, has to be smoother. Will make no noise. Ready?
For you, little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
If you give me a woo, we'll go get a pup cup. Give me a woo.
still. It's gotta cool. It's gotta cool. I will. I will.
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
If I ever did anything right in my entire life, it was when I gave birth to you.
You don't like it?
Hey, Mama. Good morning. Fine, you don't gotta talk to me today. Girly, why you ignoring me?
Sure did. How many are there?
36. Counted them myself.
36!
Que foi, Pique? Olha lá.
Why is it spicy?
Through a painstaking process of trial and error, I found out what he liked.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird? I'll go first.
Frig! What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it! No!
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas.
Dude. Oh, hi, Jake. What are you doing here?
Hey, what are you doing in here?
Oh!
Halo? Are you ugly on purpose?
Don't be suspicious. 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 I love you. I love.
What the f-
Okay, guess where we are? Your favorite place, the vet. I can still see you.
When she asks you to put a cat door in the corner. So you make one. Well,
Hey, buddy, can I get a? Hell yeah.
Lemmy, are you sitting on my toothbrush? Lemmy, that's disgusting.
Leo, wanna get up? Wanna go outside?
Leo, you want a treat?
Oh, that was quick.
Kitty.
Yes, you gotta say back.
Give it to me. Give it to me, pumpkin.
And who's there?
What are you doing? Oh my god.
I am going to the animal shelter today because my friend needs a pet and I'm there to help him pick. I'm not leaving with an animal. I'm making that affirmation right now. What happened? Huh? That was not the plan. What did you do?
Concrete? That's concrete, baby. Concrete. Concrete.
Funky, concrete.
Concrete.
Hank, what are you doing?
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Start with me today. From 1 to 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got beanie. Number 2, we got heat. Number 3, we got it. Number 4, we got beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got cheat.
1, 2.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, bud? How about me and you, wanna walk? Potty? You wanna go potty? Yeah, he wants to go potty!
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
No. No.
He's still purring.
Moses, you can't just knock stuff over.
MJ, you know you're not trapped in there, right?
Man, I must have been so drunk last night. I literally brought a loaf of bread with me into bed. How'd you get up here?
You ready?
12.
I give you this piece of paper as a token of my love. She accepted it.
Ma'am, that's my breakfast.
Oh, no! Oh!
Number one.
Nom nom nom.
In the business of house, they want you to come back.
Oh.
They want to provide certain
Get out of my
that will
face.
help you reform your
Here comes the boy.
Buddy. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Nope. Oh, he's mad. He's mad. Now you go that way. Go.
There are gonna be times when I have a snack and I'm not gonna share it with you, okay? So you can stop looking at me, because this is one of those times.
Жопа, ты вонючая!
I have one thing that nobody else can say they love beside me. I just finished taking a piss and then boom, a rotisserie chicken.
Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out.
I'm home.
Next to me, dude.
Calvin.
I dare you to try to come up from coach and use the first class bathroom when I.
My hands are trained for this little one. You can't defeat me. You are just a baby.